Adult Solutions. Add-on Desires.
Hello viewers, welcome to Adult Solution Daily Current Affairs. I am Lokesh Pengonda. This session is mainly designed for aspirants preparing for banking, groups and such other competitive examinations. We cover news articles from both the Hindu and the Indian Express, so make a use of it. So we have an article dealing with the Global Conference of Mayors. So there will be a Global Conference of Mayors regarding the topic of advancing a carbon neutral, resilient recovery for cities and nations. So this is a global virtual conference which will be attended by 40 mayors across the world. This conference or the virtual summit is being hosted by the United Nations General Assembly's Secretary. So who is the United Nations General Assembly Secretary? It is Mr. Antonio Guterres. He will be hosting this virtual summit, and it is stated in this article that the Hyderabad mayor will be attending this virtual summit. Next, we have an article dealing with the country Libya. So where is Libya? Libya is a country in the northern Africa, and it is opening into the Mediterranean Sea, and its capital is Tripoli. From the last one decade, what we've seen is that there is instability and civil war in the country of Libya. So what is the main reason for instability and the civil war in Libya? In the year 2011, the UNSC has passed a resolution called as the 1973. So the United Nations Security Council has passed a resolution numbered 1973, which was mainly to restrict or impose some restrictions on the Libyan government. So why did the UNSC brought in certain restrictions on the Libyan government? This is because during the first Libyan civil war or the civil uprising, what the world witnessed is that the Libyan government has used excessive force not only on the rebels but also on the commoners who are patiently and non-violently participating in some meetings against the government. So as the Libyan government has used excessive force and has killed its own people, the UNSC has passed the 1973 resolution in the year 2011, and it led to the NATO grouping invading this country. So what is the NATO grouping? NATO, or the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, is a military alliance, and it currently has 30 countries as its members. So after the UNSC resolution, the NATO, or the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which is a military alliance of nearly 30 countries now, has attacked the Libyan forces, and it has led to the downfall of the Libyan government. And later on, the ruler or the dictator of the Libyan country, who was Mr. Gaddafi, has also died in this uprising and the civil war. So when the Mr. Gaddafi has died, it led to the instability in the country of Libya, and from last 10 years we are witnessing civil war too in Libya. So this is about the country of Libya and where it is located. You should also remember that its capital is Tripoli, and it is opening into the Mediterranean Sea. Next, we have an article dealing with the CBI and ISRO. As we've dealt with CBI several times, we'll just see in brief about ISRO. ISRO stands for the Indian Space Research Organization. This is a space agency This is a space agency coming under the Department of Space of the government of India. So this is not a statutory body, this is not a constitutional body, rather it is just a space agency working under the Department of Space, coming under the government of India, and its current chairman is Dr. K. Sivan. So Dr. K. Sivan is the current chairman of ISRO, which is a space agency, and its main objective is to harness the space technology. It is to harness space technology for the betterment of the society and the country, for betterment of the country as a whole. Next, we have an article dealing with the country Australia, and we can see in this image the Prime Minister of the Australia, which is Mr. Scott Morrison. So what is the significance of Australia to India? Australia and India are members of the Quad grouping. So what is Quad? Quad or the quadrilateral is a informal grouping, of 4 countries. So what are these 4 countries? They are Australia, India, USA and Japan. The idea of the Quad or the quadrilateral was from the Prime Minister or the ex-Prime Minister of Japan, who is Mr. Shinzo Abe. So it was originally his idea, and he have brought this idea even before 2010. But this Quad grouping can only be formed officially in the year 2017, mainly because of China's anti-relation to the Quad grouping. As China is not favorable for a group called as a Quad, the Australia has now, we'll see the capital of Australia. Capital of Australia is Canberra. You can see in this image where Canberra is located. So this is the relevance of Australia to India. Next is, we have a report called as the State of World Population Report. Will not go into depth regarding this report. We'll just see what is the theme of this report and who is providing this report. This State of the World report, World Population Report, is brought out by the United Nations Population Fund. United Nations Population Fund brings out this report every year, and the 2021's report has come out with a theme called as My Body is My Own. My body is my own. So this is a theme of this report, which is provided by the United Nations Population Fund. Next is, we have an article dealing with the CDSCO. CDSCO. It stands for the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization. Standard Control Organization. This is a body or an organization coming under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Health and Family Welfare. The main function of this organization is to regulate the import of drugs, regulate the drug imports, and provide approvals for usage of new drugs, and also to provide approvals for the clinical trials. So these are the main functions of the organization called as the Central Drugs and Standards Control Organization, which is coming under the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare. Next, we have an article where it is stated that India's March exports rise 60%, but the trade deficit widens. So, we'll see the term trade deficit. So, trade deficit occurs when a country's exports are lesser than its imports. That is, let's say the country is exporting 500 rupees worth products to other countries. These are the exports, whereas it is importing 1000 rupees worth products to the country. This is importing. So what we observe is that the country's exports are lesser than the country's imports. So what would happen if the country's exports are lesser than the country's imports? It would lead to loss of foreign exchange. Now that we have to pay more to other countries because we are importing more, we have to use our foreign exchange reserves in the country. So what are the countries with which India have huge trade deficit? First, with the country of China, we have the highest trade deficit. It means we are importing huge amount of products compared to what we are exporting to China. Next, we have a higher deficit with the country of Iraq, and next we have a higher deficit with the country of Saudi Arabia. From both these countries, we import natural gas and oil. So we import natural gas and oil from both these countries, whereas our exports to these countries are lesser compared to the imports. So we have trade deficit with all these countries. Next, we have an article dealing with the NMDC. What does NMDC stands for? It stands for National Mineral Development Corporation. National Mineral Development Corporation. It is a wholly owned public sector enterprise. That is, it is completely under the control of the government of India. So what is the importance of the NMDC? It is India's largest iron ore producing company, iron ore producing firm. Apart from mining the iron ore, it also mines several other minerals such as dolomite, such as gypsum, diamonds, copper, tin. So its significance comes from the reason or the fact that it is the largest iron ore producing firm in the country, and it is completely owned by the government of India. Next, we have an article where it is stated that Miss Sarita Moore has retained her Asian title. Miss Sarita Moore, whom you can see in this image, has retained her gold medal and the title in the Asian Wrestling Championship. In the Asian Wrestling Championship, which is being conducted in the country of Kazakhstan. So, by retaining her gold medal and the Asian Championship in the 59 kilo category, she has created a new history when it comes to Indian women. Next, we have an article dealing with Mr. Manpreet Singh. Mr. Manpreet Singh is the captain of the Indian hockey team. He is the captain of Indian hockey team. So, if you have a question asking about the Manpreet Singh and it is asking the game or the sport he is associated with, then it should be the Indian hockey or the hockey sport. With this, we have come to the end and we have covered all the relevant topics and articles from both the Hindu and the Indian Express. Thank you.
Add-on solutions. Add-on desired.